Hello. Today we are going to multiply 91 hundredths times 83. So I've got a box down here representing 1, and 91 hundredths that's 9 tenths, and 1 more hundredths, maybe 91 cents. It's almost a dollar. So that is pretty close to 1. So I want to estimate a little bit before I multiply this out and think to myself that 83 times 91 hundredths is about 83 times 1, or 1 times 83. So I know my answer should be around 83. It's going to be less than 83 because I'm rounding 91 up to 1. But it's not going to be too far off. So I'm going to start out doing the area model. So I'm breaking up my 83 into the 10s and the 1s. Drawing my box, and then I'm going to break my 91 hundredths into 9 tenths and 1 hundredth. Start multiplying these out. Now, I don't have to be able to do this all in my head. I have plenty of space to work this out. By the way, if you don't have paper, you should get paper and work this out with me. So 80 times 9 tenths. 9 times 8 is 72. I got to move that decimal over 1. So 9 tenths times 80 is 72. 80 times a hundredth, that's 80 hundredths. Move that decimal over so I get 8 tenths, or 80 hundredths. 9 tenths times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 and 7 tenths. And last one, 3 times a hundredth, that's going to be 3 hundredths, right? 3 pennies times 3 is 3 cents. Okay, I'll get that in the box. And then I'll add it all up. 72 plus 2 and 7 tenths. Got my 80 hundredths and my 3 hundredths. And I got my decimals all lined up, added in some zeros to make the addition easier to look at. So all those zeros plus 3, then 7 and 8 is 15. Altogether I got 75 and 53 hundredths, which is pretty close to 83. We said it'd be less. Now if I want to do it the standard algorithm, 91 hundredths times 83. Start with 3 times 1. 3 times 9 is 27. Put the 0 down because I'm moving over a place. Then 8 times 1. And 8 times 9 is 72. Add it all up. And I get 7553. Of course, I got to put the decimal in. Since we've got hundredths, we're going to end with hundredths. 75 and 53 hundredths. It's a match. It's good when they both come out to be the same thing. And it's close to my estimate. All right, take a minute, think about what you wrote, and keep learning.